everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blockman Go on your Android device. Whether you are using a mobile device or a tablet, this process will help you out quick and easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. Now, once you do that, tap on the search icon at the bottom center and in the search bar at the top, type in Blockman Go. From the search results on the next page, look for the Blockman Go application and look for this one over here from Blockman Go Studio and tap on Install. Wait until the application installs, which will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. To make sure that the game stays updated, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Enable Auto Update. Once you have this little option checked in, you'll then be able to auto update the Blockman Go application. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will install automatically. Once done, click on the play button to launch open Blockman Go on your Android. You can then go ahead and follow through the instructions and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily download Blockman Go on your Android device. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more for your favorite games on our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.